you're wondering what we're doing at 11 o'clock at night,
You gonna tell them?
we're finna straight pipe the Gen 3. So we're finna see how this goes. We're finna just wing it because worst thing that could happen is he has to buy a new exhaust for it. So we're finna see how it sounds. If it sounds good, might sound bad. We'll find out. So this is the Gen 3. It's a 2025. It's a 850. And they sound like Teslas. It's got this massive exhaust on it. Just absolutely massive. So, we got our toolbox, or this little set. We're gonna take this heat shield off. Cut it right about here. Take all these mounts off, all that. And then see how it sounds. So, he's got the first piece of the puzzle taken off.
Maybe right behind the weld.
Cut it right there.
Yeah.
Just past the O2 sensor right here. Just right there. Should be good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Come here and just take this. Then loosen that one.
Oh yeah, and then it should come right up.
And just roll it up.
Yeah.
We might have to take the back bumper off.
No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't be able. You shouldn't have to.
This bracket's hitting that right there.
Oh. Let me finna take the wheel off. Got that bumper off, or he got that bumper off. I didn't do it. That's what she looks like with no bumper. There goes that wheel. Getting one step closer. Uh-oh, salsa time.
Dude, I'm scared. Do we have another blade or no?
It should be one in the truck.
Like metal blade?
I like those, I think, yeah.
In the morning.
Pretty much. Just cutting right through it, though. Holy crap.
Nothing's important back there.
Yeah. God damn. Gosh dang.
A little more.
There it goes. No going back now. There it goes. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
You can take that tip off and it should slide out.
Yeah, we'll have to do that.
Just a little bit more. You shouldn't pull it out. It's just stuck in there.
Yeah.
There it goes. It's going out.
Oh,
It's just being stubborn.
no, there's a...
Oh,
like a pin.
yeah. Here, I'll get the pliers. Yeah, I think it was me. You didn't see that. There it goes. Out she is.
Dude, feel how heavy that is.
Oh no, yeah, these are heavy. It's a little bit lighter than the 1000 one. But it's in there.
How much you were getting?
A bunch of nothing. Obviously, it's time to turn it on.
Dude, look, I cut the back of it.
That's just the heat shield will be high.
Well,
First startup. Hold on. Don't start it yet. But what are your predictions? You think it's gonna sound good or no?
I think it's gonna sound... I don't know. I'm nervous.
I really don't know what's expected, but I guess we just find out. When you were. Oh my God! Is that what you were expecting? No. That thing is crazy loud.
Dude, I can't even ride that no more.
Oh, you definitely can.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh my gosh. That is way louder than I expected it to be.
Way louder.
Holy crap. Bye. We probably woke everybody up.
Let's do it again.
Go again. Holy crap.
Dude, that's flat out.
Dude. You can't really tell on video, but that is crazy loud. Here's a comparison to my 2024 Gen 2 850 with the Yoshi on it. It is way louder than this bike. This thing doesn't even sound loud anymore compared to this one. They're both 850s. That one's just a Gen 2, and that's a Gen 3. Straight piped. That one has a Yoshi.
That's insane.
That is actually... I think this might be the first straight piped Gen 3.
I haven't seen one.
I haven't seen any videos on a straight pipe Gen 3. We were literally just in my room, and we were like, fuck it, let's go do it. So there you have it. The first, I'm not gonna say for sure, but that I've seen,
What we think.
what we think is the first straight pipe Gen 3 850.